My name is Matthew Trumm, and I'm a permaculture educator, consultant, and designer. And I'm part of a global movement called the Ecosystem Restoration Communities. I've spent the last 7 years fully immersed, learning, practicing, working with wildfire survivors, government agencies, changing policy, and working on my own land. I've had the privilege to work alongside of some of the most creative, innovative thought leaders in this field. And now I want to pass my knowledge on to you. So join me and some of the world's leading educators and practitioners in the very relevant subject of wildfire and what it means to be wildfire resilient.